But Akufo Addo is working for the youth. Now, when Okatechi Afrifa came to you at the ghetto to tell you, say, Tinaka mufri in crying, Tinaka mufri kofodia, nefeshiano, I takrade because takrade forces our demonstration is the AIDS yen because ya Taadi for the yenye bwe, because I am yaw there, Taadi hade, yenye interchange, and so Akufo Addo nti, say ye benya interchange. Akufo Addo nti say ye benya interchange nti na what na ho na wa makwasia wei ada wo say ye de baase ye besu nti froko na fra baje fa ufri kuba say ba 100 Ghana ufri Accra 100 Ghana takra de fo ne de ye bema mu 20 ni 50 uye de da ye bema 50 wanye de a say Jimmy na ya ma free t-shirt wan dwene ho say e ya kwantuo na wutu Okatechi Afrifa oba no wantena trotro mu obonifu nyanya obonifu nyanya e no de baaye e no share ne yellow kin yellow once ade no yare na e ba sa first year kwa ne ye say revolution say yo ma hu say ye ti omutuntun say de o ma sesemu kakra ye kwa mbensie bi onene ba wo ye jimifo wana share yellow kwasia bi odi Afrifa one Avram oma she yellow takrado fo agimifo na mu jim kwasia mpafo kwasia wei akoshe red beret e de dada so koto abangu Ghana fo na ntimomo de no yare jimie dua bo ana asofo papa no na asa okro no mu asese ya jimi na do so sa brother inti 50 Ghana inti na wa ma aka she yellow bend down akukọ yellow ese ye guy wa she yellow na agina ho na ama wa adwen wa ka de tramadol adwen etuwe nyansa wo nyansa ebi nyutrim cause etetakrade nyemosi matakrade living ote egina we sabe na unwe bi wo ho a onyimaze pa nso sande na free education ni wonti wantum wantodo emende wa beye da ebusuan burden nyame aya adom unwa na odi wa echi ne de free education nti na wa awie emese so lekaji loan or da ko university obi tin benya baade wo ba benya interchange ono so ya atola na ama wa dada o wo so be ma 50 Ghana aso de kiki be sie bi onene ba wo ye jimfo nti wa she yellow with red. What are the track records of these fools you people are following? Why didn't they go to Legon to get these students? Why didn't they go to even University of Cape Coast or Takrade Technical? Why didn't they go to those places to get people? But they have to come on the streets. And if you watch, one on Pacho abotre page no so mama man to kwa bia anko abotre misrem page abotre page no so misrem adobra o akoma bia anto din misrem we agree to disagree aduma akoma bia anto din na awo atena ho waden krafo aba wado ogbo asefo aba na wadi wo nyina ebogum na wo jim de eba azi no fremu ben nche we bia opocho takraja akwa nyina wa ya mi bisa wono takraja akwa wa ya wo ye demonstration ni we contract bi we besi wa wo kwaye ya mpanyinfu bi no contract bi wa ba road o ye road si isa la menyo kase ya mama ma ye nchip ye ho man kwasefu be ma won fa ye ndodam menu anom fantifo yi me se ya na ahantafo iya ma won ho kwan na nkrofo bi won fa won nya agimisam dam cause oya ya oya asefem what's the see defense won hwa here wonye na nche wose yanto constitution nguna yamfa aban na ma sojafo no problem na curfew mra no problem na won babro ye maamenom na won motu anyin se sikafo do de esikafo na wose ade wona wonyim ade na wose ade nti won be clamp one down to them a Rollins be ye Ghana ni economy refuse in terms of revolution. Monche and Mugasa got to Montacrize. I want to claim the Ghana for you to now one well for Nanado. In Tanke Takra, don't know Kenya members from Takra municipality right there. Are you understanding me? I want to ask Ghana, Obia, Obebunubiani well for Akufo Addo into a demonstration. Ekwa Krano, in your Jimu for because that is where your stronghold is with the wechi. Because I cried here, hey, oh, Koya, dear Nakazo Charlie, Obia Magic t shirt, and she'll be crying, baby, do what she says here. But to call Takra, there's one difference. You have to call for backup and say, I didn't crawl for free or boise, you didn't crawl for free, you didn't crawl for free, your fan was for any of your Mugubas, Muse Mumeu, any of your mobile. That should tell you, say, Simon Kwasia fix the country, you know, I told you. Braddick Evans, the people on the street are not knowledgeable because I know standing on the street and doing a demonstration wouldn't put money in my pocket or give me a job or give me education. Does that answer you? Me say, the people who are on the street making this noise are not smart because they did not even do a cross check to check. Say, 2016, na your GDP that sign that say your GDP that. They are not smart because say on my you see a titia pan someone a muaye tantino and yet then investment them they are not smart. They didn't do that research because they are not about research and they are not about Ghana moving forward. They are worried about what they can get into their bosom. Braddick Evans, this is to you. Let me ask you a question. If you went to school, whatever degree you are holding or whatever position you are having, did you acquire it by standing on the street and chanting that the government should be thrown away? Is that how you acquired it? Let us know. Did you stand on the street, put on a red beret and call for a constitutional overthrow, and as a result of that, you got whatever qualification you have? Evans, let us know. Educate us. Maybe that is how you got yours. Charlie, you stand on the street. Kwame Nkrumah say, hey, man, you go home and your pocket is full. Braddick Evans, is that how you are telling me? Or is that what you're telling me? Are you telling me whatever position you got it because you went for demonstration in Tina and you got that place? No. You got it because of your own hard work and believe in yourself. Say, on chain say abayin bi emfa bibim brewansa because Sadiq ye. One of Braddick Evans, let me tell you the truth and the irony of it and the fact. Say Akufo Addo crackers or per se Ghana government positions ni now of feeling ho and then Obiaka kra he can only employ 750,000 people. Uti 750,000 people pay. Government na on my ejuma, government in the ejuma, government in the ejuma no. So akase warrior and the government, for your information, does not open jobs. Government has state agencies it manages, brings together a policy for the private sector to drive. Oko Manhattan buildings, Wells Fargo buildings, now the idea no. It doesn't belong to the president. It doesn't belong to the government of America. It belongs to corporate entities. The same ideology, Akufo Addo ne ba umiade ba Ghana say, yes, so let's implement this data-driven type of environment. Also, the back demonstration. Someone who here, I feel t-shirt na mo ko because t-shirt no, make we see, sa t-shirt to the mama 7